We're here in southern Rhode Island and about to hit this estuary. The water's about at its warmest. It's mid-September now, and so it's nice and comfy to get in. We can look for clams, and then afterward I think we're going to go on a search for stripers. We'll see how the day goes. Hopefully we get into something. You got your shovel and your toilet plunger.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, that's the clam. They're definitely here. Well, we just found a couple. So essentially a quahog at its widest point has to be more than 1 inch wide. So to use a quahog gauge, if you drop it in the gauge and it sticks, it doesn't fall through, that's a keeper. If you drop it in the gauge and it falls through, that's not a keeper. So those you have to release and come back next year for. So we got one. Plenty more, I'm sure, so we'll keep at it.
Ooh, I think that's a keeper.
Come on. There it is.
Ah, too small. That is perfect. Ah, it's too small, but it's right there.
Well, if it's too small, it's too small. No inflating your numbers with undersized ones now.
I'm not.
I got quite the bounty here, but I think most of them are undersized. Yeah, buddy. Oh, that one's primo. That's a cherry stone. I think the rest are undersized. You want to come show your bucket, babe?
Look at the bird.
Oh yeah, we'll go check that out in a second. Come show off your bucket first, and then we'll go fishing.
This is my bucket. I did pretty good.
That's it. I did all right. So I think we should have enough for chowder, maybe
Wow,
a couple
you did
clam
really
cakes.
good.
All the birds have been working over here, so that's a fish. That's a fish.
Nice striper.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy. That's a blue fish. I don't know if they're good eating, but they're edible. Oh, right there. All the birds have been working over here, so. We're almost on them, guys.
Look at all these chickens.
Yeah, the heavy artillery. They're jumping in between us and shore. Mama! Another baby. That's how that's done.